My name is John Pontefract. I'm a team leader for the Cotswold Canals Trust. The purpose of my team is to maintain what we've got. We've got maintenance of the lock, a bit of finishing off work, the junction with the river, and we need to clear that and build a landing stage. Behind you there we've got the dry canal. The intention is to put water in it, but we've got a little bit more work to do on that. So what we do at the moment is keep the banks and the bed trimmed. The spillway, that's where the canal used to overspill the excess water. What you see there is what they've uncovered and are rebuilding. The Eastern Depot support us in terms of transport, occasionally repair of equipment. We also work closely with the trip boat on the Thames, Inglesham. We intend to put a permanent landing stage just through the bridge there so that people can get off the boat and wander around here. Always grateful to the team for their hard work. I'd also like to find them some extra volunteers, some help.